Hey there, PowerPoint aficionados. Welcome back to Mario's Tech Tips, and a warm welcome to all the new viewers joining us today. I'm so glad you're here. Whether you are a PowerPoint pro or just starting out, today is going to be a blast. Or at least a small one, you know. In this video, I'm not just going to show you how to spice up your presentation with a video. I'll be showing you how to record your own speakage in French or voiceover in English and screen recording right in PowerPoint. So, buckle up because we're about to rock that PowerPoint. Let's get started. So, let's break this down into steps. Step 1. Open your PowerPoint presentation. If you can't find it, take a moment to reflect on your life choices. Just kidding. If you're like me, it's probably hiding between those 15 browse tabs you have already opened. Step 2. Choose a slide you want to insert your video into. Think of it like picking a spot to put your best houseplant, where it can shine but not overshadow your other content. Step 3. Just click on the Insert tab at the top of the screen. It's like opening a treasure chest filled with goodies, and we are going for the gold here, folks, the video option. Then you have a couple of options. Either you can insert a video from your computer or a video from online. Just make sure that it's legal. No one likes a presentation pirate after all. Let's say that we want to insert a video on the second slide. We click on the second slide here, and again, with the video option, we can insert a video from online. If you click it, you have this window here informing you that a preview of your video will appear in this site, and the supported video providers are YouTube, SlideShare, and Vimeo. Let's suppose that we want to download a video from online. I just prepare an address to download the video from YouTube. As you can see here, this is the preview of our video and just click Insert. Then you can wait a couple of seconds, depends from your connection speed, and you will see the video appears on the position you've chosen before. Now, if you click on the video, you will see that it starts playing.
The developers 20% less CO2 when
Of course, you can select the video as I showed you before and resize it or move it around. Just make sure that when you click in the video, you can click everywhere apart from the middle of video, because on the middle locates the play button. And then you can handle the video and do whatever you want with it, just like a normal picture. You can copy it, paste it, cut it from this slide and locate it in a different slide, etc., etc. So now it's about time to see the second video option we've got, which is to insert a video to our presentation from our own PC. Again, we go to the video option, expand it, but this time we select this device option. Allow us to spot a video from our own PC and insert it to the presentation. Let me delete the first video. By the way, if you want to delete a video, just like a normal picture, you select it and by press delete, you can delete it. So, if the video is in your computer, navigate to it like a treasure hunter on a quest. But just in case I prepare something to cover all bases, So, this is the video I want to insert to my presentation in a folder inside my computer. So, I select it first and then click Insert. And the video inserted to my presentation. Again, you can resize it, you can crop it, you can copy and paste it, you can move it around, you can do whatever you want with it, like the first one or like a normal picture. You will observe that the format is slightly different. The play button, the progress bar, the backward and forward buttons, the timer, and the sound bar are below the video. It's not, you know, the same like the first one, but it's similar. So you can play the video normally as the first one, and let me demonstrate to you how it looks like from the slide view. And you've got it. You just insert a video from your computer into your presentation. Now, let's talk about how to use PowerPoint's recording function. This is where the magic happens. So let us name this step 5. When you want to record something in PowerPoint, on the top menu here, you go and find the tab Record. If you press it, you will get the first option, which is Record option. If you expand it, you will get two choices. Either start your recording from current slide or from beginning. It's like you deciding if you want to watch the sequel before see the original movie or just dive right into the action. So, once you click to start recording from this button over here, named Record, PowerPoint will capture your voiceover as you click through your slides, so you can narrate your presentation in real time. You can also choose to record your timings, animations, and even your ink strokes if you're feeling fancy. Just remember to speak clearly. This isn't a rap battle after all. So now let me demonstrate to you in real time PowerPoint's recording function by making a short recording for the first couple of slides of the current presentation. Let's begin. Welcome everybody to the ATR-600 series aircraft general familiarization course. In this course, which is the same for the 42 and 72-600 series aircraft, we're going to do a short introduction of the aircraft. We're going to talk a little bit about the weights and loading, the cockpit general layout, lights and philosophy, performances, the engines, and of course, we're going to talk a little bit for the tail prop. But first, let me trigger you by showing you a short video from the 72-600 series aircraft cockpit. Nice, isn't it? When you finish, just click on the End Recording button here, and your recorded audio will be attached to its slide. Now, your audience can hear your lovely voice explaining the wonders of your presentation. So now, let me demonstrate to you another option you've got with PowerPoint's recording function, and that is to narrate your presentation not only with your voice, but with your image as well, provided that you turn your camera on first, like I'm doing just right now from this button right here. So, as soon as you click on that button, you will see your image inside to your presentation. So now you can narrate your presentation with your voice and your image as well. Let us do a short recording again to see how it looks like. Welcome everybody to the ATR-600 series aircraft general familiarization course. In this course, which is the same for the 42 and 72-600 series aircraft, we're going to see a few things. As an introduction, we're going to talk about the weights and loading. We're going to see a cockpit general layout. We're going to talk about the performances of the aircraft, the engines, and of course, the tail probe. But first, let me trigger you, presenting you a short video from the cockpit of an ATR 72-600 series aircraft. the overhead panel. We're gonna see it later on. Nice, isn't it? So after you finish your recordings for your presentation in every slide or in any slide you want the recording function to be applied to, in slide view, your presentation will look like this. Another cool function I wanted to show to you is that if you go out from the slide view, you will see your recordings in every slide. It will look like this. Please accept my apologies for the video quality from the second camera. It's something I need to improve to, and I promise I will. But uh, I think it's more important to demonstrate to you how to work with the recording function than the video quality. But let me show you another cool feature that I wanted for you to know. If you click on your recordings, basically it's a video over a video inside the presentation. If you click on the first slide, recording, and go from the top menu here to the video format and click it, you will find that you can change the video shape to something like that. Again, you can treat this video like a picture. You can move it around, you can make it bigger or smaller, or, you know, change the rotation of the image, anything you want. You can do anything you want. And if you go again to the slide view, you will see
Welcome
something
everybody to the
like that.
8 in this course, which is the same.
On the next slide, the video format remains the same. Just remember, if you change the video format and you have recordings in every slide, just do it in every slide. That was a cool function I wanted to show to you. So finally, you finished the adjustment of that video. You resized it, you moved it around, and made it work for you. But please be careful. It's still a video, not a new puppy. You can't just drag it anywhere without consequences. The last thing you want is to end up with a video bouncing around like this. And voila! You've officially inserted a video into your PowerPoint presentation and recorded your own voiceover, including your image as well. Give yourself a round of applause. But remember, with great video and audio power comes great responsibility. Don't let those videos turn your presentation into a movie marathon. Save that for Friday night. Thanks for tuning in to Mario's Tech Tips. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on my future videos. Again, apologies for the video quality from the second camera. It is something I really need to be improved to, and I will, I promise. Until next time, go forth and make those sparkling presentations. Until next time, folks, bye!